Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of the Git-er-done workshop. I'm Eric Kimball, and today I'm finally going to get around to cutting that big 36-inch diameter circle that I told you I need to cut in a previous video to cover the standpipe out in my field. I'm going to cut it on the table saw. There are lots of videos on YouTube about how to cut circles, wood circles with a table saw. And this is just going to be my contribution to that subject. I have used this idea many times over the years, and you'll probably see it in future videos if I get to some of the projects that I have in mind. What I'm going to do that might be different from the other videos is I'm just going to make a quick little jig. I'm not going to make a real nice jig. I'm not going to put a lot of time into making it. It's not a bad idea to do that, but I just want to make a quick jig. I want to get her done, right? So there's two parts to this jig. There's the top where the plywood will sit on and pivot on, and I'm using a piece of 1/4 inch Luan plywood, which I happen to have some of, and this measures 26 and it's quite long. I'm going to rip it off at 24 inches, 26 inches, whatever, just to get it cut down a little bit. And then I'm going to make a guide. I got a piece of pine here, a scrap of pine. Looks like it's mostly straight. And that will fit in this guide groove here in my table saw. And I'll cut that down so that it fits best. Then I'll attach them and we'll be pretty much there. And there it is. Very easy, very fun once you get the hang of it. It's been a long time since I made a circle like this. I'll sand this, but it's really quite smooth. Really quite smooth. And it's like 36 and a 64th. That's nice, real nice. That's how you do it, folks. That's how you get her done with cutting circles on a table saw. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one.